Ever face the revolving door of recruitment, where you train a great engineer just to see them leave? Or worse, get inconsistent quality from a team that just doesn't get your standards? You're not alone. The founder of AXA Engineers realized that for design firms, the biggest challenge isn't the project, it's the people. 4 out of 5 firms struggle with the same thing. It's not the blueprints, it's the team culture. Today I'm handing you the exact playbook a #1 best workplace uses to build a team that thrives, not just performs. 10 minutes from now, you'll have tactics you can use to build a world-class stable team. If that promise sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell, because we're not just talking theory here. We're giving you the full playbook. First up, the easiest win. Write the rules of the road. Elite teams treat their process like a public API. Start with a collaborative process document. Take AXA Engineers, which provides outsourcing services to US firms. They leverage their time zone advantage. End-of-day requests from their US clients are ready by the next morning. It's a 24-hour work cycle without the burnout. Then, create a cadence matrix. Daily async updates in a thread, weekly deep dives for alignment, and monthly retros for improvement. A team I coached accelerated their project timeline by an entire week when they started using their partner's time zone as an advantage, not a barrier. Culture isn't about a mission statement nobody reads, it's about shared values in action. At AXA, they build a culture of high performance and happiness. Steal their Kaizen spotlight. Every other Friday, the team gathers for 30 minutes. Anyone can share a small process improvement. They made a script that saved time, a better checklist, a new way to organize files. The goal isn't massive change, it's celebrating the mindset of continuous improvement. 2 rounds in, and you'll build a team that owns its own efficiency. Nothing kills velocity like a team executing without understanding the why. The fix? A living alignment blueprint. Top-tier teams keep a simple document that answers 3 things. What problem are we solving for the client? How do we measure success? What does done look like? This isn't just a doc, it's the heart of the discovery and alignment phase. To supercharge it, do what AXA does with its training program for serving US clients. They immerse their key people in the client's world. Autonomy without the guesswork. Remote teams amplify fear unless you design a culture of trust. AXA's trick is their courage to fix mistakes philosophy. Every Friday, drop anonymous notes into a shared doc. One thing that went well, one process whole that could be improved. At the Monday meeting, read them aloud and focus on fixing the process, not blaming a person. When you shift the focus from who did it to how can we make the system better, psychological safety skyrockets. If this is clicking, hit subscribe. Next week, I'm breaking down AXA's entire aided employee development program. Most teams are buried in Jira. Elite teams make project status ambient. Instead of asking clients to hunt for updates, give them a dedicated client hub. It's a single real-time dashboard showing project progress, key milestones, and next steps. No more, where are we at? Emails. 1 link, 0 questions. It's about building trust through radical transparency. Time zones are a feature, not a bug. Top distributed teams use a follow-the-sun model. Every task gets clear owners. When your US design lead finishes for the day, the review-ready drawings are picked up by the team in Vietnam. When you wake up, revisions are waiting in your inbox. The magic is a 3-column checklist in the project brief. Owner, task, definition of done. Cycle time drops, sleep hours saved. Daily stand-ups are often a major drain on productivity. Elite teams do them asynchronously. Each morning, engineers drop a 60-second Loom video into a Slack thread. What I shipped, what's in flight, what's blocked. This creates a searchable visual log of the project's progress. A designated blocker tracker summarizes key obstacles for the lead to clear. It keeps the energy high and the calendar empty. Dashboards should empower engineers, not serve managers. Give every project team a dashboard of 1. Velocity, quality metrics, and revision rates. It's refreshed nightly and shared at the weekly retro. The conversation becomes about how we can improve our system, not about why an individual is falling behind. It's peer-driven excellence, not top-down pressure. Trust and accountability in the same breath. I bundled the principles from AXA's quality assurance framework into a checklist links in the description. Offer your next client a 1-week, no-cost pilot project and watch their trust soar. A disconnected team and a weak culture aren't permanent. Define your collaborative process, celebrate continuous improvement, create an alignment blueprint, and build feedback loops that are about the system, not the person. Do those 4 things and you'll turn a scattered group of engineers into a resilient, thriving team that ships incredible work no matter where they are. Try any of these? Tell me in the comments. I read everyone.